Hey guys, Sunny here. Just a quick video of KB. We're going to do a mass text with an MLS listing, which will have a picture and a link. So get ready for your phone to blow up with this methodology. So we're going to mass text to our sphere, to prospects, new leads, and active leads. It's just a simple verbiage here, and I'll put this in the post so you guys can copy and paste it and modify it according to your liking. So mine basically says, are you a first-time home buyer? If so, then I can help with down payment. I can email you a free report. What areas are you looking at? Number of beds, number of baths, pool or no pool, and your max price. You can call, text me anytime. My number, thanks, Sunny. Okay guys, let's get started. So we're going to dive right into KB Core Platform. From your dashboard, on the left-hand side on the menu, click on Listings. And this is important, guys. You do not want to pick a listing that is outside of JPAR, okay? So under listing, you're going to click on filter, okay? Now, currently it's all the brokerage firms here. So we just want our agency listing. That's the only one that should be on. And at the bottom, click on apply filters. And these are all of our listings. So pick one to your liking. And then let's select the MLS number and copy that. So this one here is in Carrollton. We're going to copy the MLS number. Okay. And I'm going to put it here just for now. We will reference to it. Okay, now go into your Smart CRM. On the left-hand side, click on Smart CRM. And we want to filter. So remember, the items we're filtering is for sphere, prospects, new leads, and active leads. So again, over here, click on filter. We want the message to go to sphere, prospect, new leads, active leads. That's it. Don't change anything else. Just hit apply filters on the bottom. And once it pulls up, make sure your column is at 250, okay? If it's at 20, you want to go in here and change it to 250. So if you have more than 250, you can continue to mass text them. So if you scroll all the way down, it'll tell you how many you have. So I have 1,148 leads total that are either prospect, sphere, active lead, or a new lead. So we're going to select all right here by the name. That will select all 250 and then click on mass text. Okay. Remember the MLS ID number that we copied? We're going to take that. We're going to put it here in the MLS ID field. Okay. And we're going to type in our message here. So I'm just going to copy my message and just reword it according to your liking. And very simple, straight to the point, and my name. No need to put your website on here, guys, because if they're interested, they're either going to text you back or there's going to be an MLS photo listing as well. So they'll have the link, they'll guide them directly right back to your KB Core. Okay, so, and then just hit send text. Now, this circle that is going around is going to take a bit of a time. For it to, send all the text messages to all 250. Now, once this is sent, you want to scroll all the way down and select page number 2 if you have more than one page. And then you're going to scroll all the way back up, select on the name again so you can highlight all of them, and you'll create a new mass message just like this one. And then you can keep going through your pages, page 2, 3, 4, as many pages as you have, and then that's it. And then people will start texting you. Or end up on your site, start surfing again, so you might start seeing additional activity, just from this MLS link that you have embedded in here. Okay guys, thank you very much. I appreciate everything. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out to me anytime. Thanks, bye-bye.